Have you seen this trending effect, video in text? I'm going to show you live in this video how you can create this in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, you have to import your video on the timeline, then click on text, then click on title. Here you have to find out default. Under default, when you will scroll to the left hand side, you will find out mask. You have to click on that, and here you go. You can extend this up to where you want to show this effect. So let's edit this like this. Change its font. Let me use Poppins black like this. Now let's add some animation to it. Okay, I'm going to add here a keyframe like this, and one more keyframe here. And on the first keyframe, I'm going to increase it like this. We are going to increase the size. Okay, so if you will play this, let me play. It will show up like this. Okay, and also if you want to, you can use these any of curves to add extra effect. Okay, like this. You can also do this vice versa. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's delete this again. Under default, title, scroll and find out mask. Increase this and type in your text like this. Okay, and use some sort of heavy font like this. Okay, so add a keyframe here in the beginning and add another keyframe wherever you want to. And while selecting this keyframe, you have to increase the size of your text by stretching it like this. Okay, something like this. So the now animation is something like this. Okay, there are some limitations in VN app with this effect, but this is how you can achieve this effect. So thank you for watching this video.